Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Raphael here and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw an anime character. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, first we start off drawing a circle. It might not be a perfect circle, but let us try. You can rotate the paper like I will rotate it now, so that it will be easy for you to draw a circle. After that, divide the circle into half. After that, draw a line below the circle to indicate the jaw lines. Now I'm going to draw two lines to indicate the side of the face from this circle to this line, and the other side from this circle to this line. Okay, now we are going to draw the jawlines. The jawlines for anime character are not straight, they are a little bit curvy. Okay, now finish with it. Just tracing it over so that the camera will pick it up. Lovely. After that, I'm going to erase this so that it will not disturb me later. If you don't erase also, it's okay, but for my personal preference, I like to erase it. Okay, now we're going to mark the portion of the lips, the nose and the eyes. I'll start off with the portion of the lips. The lips is just beneath the jaw lines. I'm going to draw a straight line for you to see it. And the nose is just above the jaw lines. There also, I'll draw a straight line for you to see. Now we are going to mark where the eyes will be. Draw a straight line from this point to this point to mark the center of the eye. Okay, now draw two lines of equal length below and above. This line indicates the size of the eye. You can make any size because it's anime. Yeah, it's anime. After that, we are going to mark where the eyes will be. The eyes are of equal size, so we need to be careful not to draw one eye big and one eye small. Okay. After that, marks the eyelashes. You can draw any type of eyelashes. You don't draw like I draw, because this is just an example, so I just draw the one that I like the most. Feel free to draw any type you like. The gap between the eye is equal to one eye, if that makes sense. And also don't forget to leave some space between the eyes and the side of the face. Here I'm just seeing where did I make mistake and erase and then draw it again. Only that. And now we are going to draw the eyeballs. Usually for anime girls, eyeballs are a little big, so yeah. Now I'm going to draw them, so watch carefully. It should not be that much big. It should be a little big. It should covers more than half of the space of the eye. Just erasing where that I made mistake and then redraw it again. Okay, after that I'm going to draw the nose. Usually for anime girls, they draw the nose just one line, I mean a perpendicular line. After that I'm marking where her lips, her corner of the lips should be. In order to know where to mark, just draw a perpendicular line from the corner of the eye till it meets the line where her lips will be. After that, draw her lips. You should remember that her lips, we should leave a little gap when we are drawing lips, because it will indicate the highlights and it will look nice also. Lovely. Now I'm going to erase all those unnecessary lines that I don't need anymore, so that it will not disturb my drawing. And just retracing back all those lines that I just accidentally erased. And yes, also I'm sorry if what I'm saying from the beginning doesn't make sense. I'm not a pro, so I don't know how to advise you. So yeah, even though it doesn't make sense, I just want to share what I learned from the day that I first started to draw till now. I just want to share, and I also hope that what I'm saying from the beginning, it makes some sense, even though it doesn't make many sense, but some sense, at least some. If it makes some sense, then I'm happy. Just leave comment below on how do you feel about this tutorial. Does it help you or does it not? Okay, now I'm going to draw the eyebrows. Usually for eyebrows, it's a personal preference. You can draw it a little bit higher or a little bit lower. This is just my personal preference, so you can draw anywhere you like. Now I'm going to draw the right eyebrow. Oh no, I made a mistake. I'm going to erase it, sorry. Okay, now finish. Just retracing. Now we're going to draw her neck. To know where the position of the neck, draw a perpendicular line from the center, from the center of the eye, draw a perpendicular line. Yeah, just like that. See, from the center of the eye. Now start drawing her neck. Just like this. Yeah, it should be a little curvy, because you draw a straight line, its look means it doesn't look like it is in motion, so I like to draw it a little bit curvy. Yeah, just like that. Erasing the unnecessary lines, retracing again. Now we're going to draw the hair. You can draw any type of hair, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to draw the type of the hair that I like the most. Okay, drawing some bangs. I'm not going so much in detail for the hair, because this is not a hair tutorial. I know, let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a tutorial on how to draw hairs for anime girls. Just let me know. If you let me know, I'll surely make one. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the hair on the side of the face, just like that. little erasing here and there. I think we are now pretty much over with the tutorial. Now I'm going to go time lapse. See you later. Okay guys, now I'm done with the drawing. Let us now recall back what we have learned. First, for the head, we need to draw a circle. Yeah, a circle, okay, like this. It may not be perfect, okay. After that, we draw a line in the middle to divide the circle. After that, we draw a line below the circle. This. Then two lines joining from this point to this from this circle to this line, and then draw two lines again. After that, just above this we'll draw a line to indicate the position of the nose, and then just below this line here, we'll draw a line again so that we'll know where the mouth will be. After that, this point, this line, from where the line start to join the circle and this line below, we draw a line again, and then just above this we'll draw two lines, and below one, above one. Here we'll draw the eyes, here the eyes, here the nose, and here the lips. To know where will be the corner of the lips, we will need to look from the eye. Here, the corner of this iris, eyeball or iris, I don't know, I'll say eyeball. No, I mean this eye, where the eye starts. Here, this line, this point here, see? Okay. Then, to know where the neck starts, we need to divide this eyeball into half. From this half, we draw a vertical line so that we'll know where to put the starting of the neck. Okay, and then I think we finish. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing I forget. For the lips, we need to leave some space so that it will indicate the highlight. Now, and one last thing, for the hair, suppose this is the skull, we need to draw the hair just above the skull, like this. I think with that we have come to the end of this week video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to support me, and also share this video to all of your friends who want to draw. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next week video. Peace.